Welcome back, dear students, to Module 2 of Standard 6, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 4, Operations on Fraction. Let's see learning objectives of this module. In this module, you will be learning about addition of mixed numbers, subtraction of mixed numbers, and questions related to it. So let's get started. First, let's do quick revision of our previous session. In previous session, we have completed what is fraction. So, fraction represent equal parts of a whole or a collection. Then we have seen fraction notation. So, we know that there are numerator and denominator in fraction notation. Numerator tells the number of equal parts taken and denominator tells the total number of equal parts in a whole or a collection. Then we have seen types of fractions. So there are mainly three types of fraction we have seen. So first is proper fraction. The numerator is less than the denominator, that we call proper fraction. Second one is improper fraction. So the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator, that we call improper fraction. And third one is mixed numbers. So one whole number and second proper fraction, that we called as a mixed number. Students, now we will start to our main topic, that is addition of mixed numbers. So we already know what is mixed numbers. So let's see example 5 and 1 by 2 plus 2 and 3 by 4. So we have to add these mixed numbers. So first we will do like this: 5 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 4 multiplied by 2 plus 3 upon 4. So you know that 5 2s are 10 plus 1, that is 11 upon 2 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 3, that is 11 upon 4. So here we have to keep our denominator same. That's why for 11 by 2 we will multiply both sides by 2. So 11 multiplied by 2 upon 2 multiplied by 2 plus 11 by 4. So here you will get 22 by 4 plus 11 by 4. Now here you can see the denominator is same. Now we can simply add numerator over a common denominator. So we will get 33 by 4. Now in mixed numbers we will write like this: 8 and 1 by 4. So like this we will add these numbers. Next is subtraction of mixed numbers. Here let's see example 3 and 2 by 5 minus 2 and 1 by 7. So here we will multiply 3 multiplied by 5 plus 2 upon 5 minus 2 multiplied by 7 plus 1 upon 7. So 3 5s are 15 plus 2, that is 17 upon 5 minus 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15 upon 7. So here you will get 17 by 5 minus 15 by 7. Now we have to keep our denominator same. For that we will multiply both the numbers by Here you will multiply 17 by 5 by 7. So 17 multiplied by 7 upon 5 multiplied by 7 minus 15 multiplied by 5 upon 7 multiplied by 5. So 17 sevens are 119 upon 5 sevens are 35 minus 15 fives are 75 by 7 fives are 35. Now the denominator is same. So we can simply subtract the numerator over a common denominator. So 119 minus 75 upon 35, you will get 44 upon 35. So in mixed number you can write like this, 1 and 9 by 35. Students, now we will discuss practice set 10. Question number 1. Add. First one is 6 and 1 by 3 plus 2 and 1 by 3. So 6 multiplied by 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 upon 3. So 6 threes are 18 plus 1 upon 3 plus 2 threes are 6 plus 1 upon 3. So 18 plus 1, that is 19 by 3 plus 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. So 7 by 3. Here you can see the denominator is same. So we can simply add numerator over a common denominator. So 19 plus 7 upon 3, that is 26 by 3. So in mixed numbers you can write like this, 8 2 by 3. So 6 and 1 by 3 plus 2 and 1 by 3 is equal to 8 and 2 by 3. Second question, 1 and 1 by 4 plus 3 and 1 by 2. So we will get here 1 multiplied by 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2. So here you will get 1 multiplied by 4, 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6 plus 1. So 6 plus 1 upon 2. Here the denominator is different. So 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 4 plus 6 plus 1, that is 7 by 2. Here you can see denominator is different. So for 7 by 2, we will multiply both sides by 2. So 5 by 4 plus 7 by 2 upon 2 by 2. Here you will get 5 by 4 plus 7 twos are 14 upon 4. Now the denominator is same. We can simply add numerator over a common denominator. So 5 plus 14 upon 4. So you will get 19 by 4. So in mixed numbers you can write like this, 4 and 3 by 4. So 1 and 1 by 4 plus 3 and 1 by 2 is equal to 4 and 3 by 4. Question number 3. 5 and 1 by 5 plus 2 and 1 by 7. So that is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 2 multiplied by 7 plus 1 upon 7. So 5 5s are 25 plus 1 upon 5 plus 2 sevens are 40 plus 1 upon 7. So 25 plus 1, that is 26 by 5 plus 14 plus 1, that is 15 by 7. So here denominator is different. So we have to take common denominator. That's why for both numbers we will multiply. Here for 26 by 5 we will multiply both sides by 7, and for 15 by 7 both sides we will multiply by 15. So 26 multiplied by 7 upon 5 multiplied by 7 plus 15 multiplied by 5 upon 7 multiplied by 5. So 26 multiplied by 7 you will get 182 upon 5 sevens are 35. So 182 upon 35 plus 15 fives are 75 upon 7 fives are 35. So here you will get 182 upon 35 plus 75 upon 35. Here the denominator is same. We can simply add the numerator over a common denominator. So 182 plus 75 upon 35. When you add, you will get 257 minus 35. When we convert this into mixed number, you will get 7 12 by 35. So 5 and 1 by 5 plus 2 and 1 by 7 is equal to 7 and 12 by 35. Question number 4. 3 and 1 by 5 plus 2 and 1 by 3. So here 3 multiplied by 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 upon 3. So 3 fives are 15 plus 1 upon 5 plus 2 threes are 6 plus 1 upon 3. So 15 plus 1, that is 16 upon 5 plus 6 plus 1 upon 3, means 6 plus 1, that is 7 by 3. So now denominator is different. So here for 16 by 5 we will multiply both sides by 3. So 16 multiplied by 3 upon 5 multiplied by 3, and here we will multiply both sides by 5. So 7 multiplied by 5 upon 3 multiplied by 5. So 16 threes are 48 upon 5 threes are 15. So 48 upon 15 plus 7 fives are 35 upon 3 fives are 15. That is 35 by 15. So now the denominator is same. We can simply add numerator over a common denominator. So 48 plus 35 upon 15, that is 83 by 15. So in mixed fraction we can write like this also, 5 8 by 15. So 3 and 1 by 5 plus 2 and 1 by 3 is equal to 5 and 8 by 15. Question number 2. Subtract. First one is 3 and 1 by 3 minus 1 and 1 by 4. So here 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 multiplied by 4 plus 1 upon 4. So 3 threes are 9 plus 1 upon 3 minus 4 plus 1 upon 4. So 9 plus 1, that is 10 by 3 minus 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 4. So 5 by 4. So here you can see the denominator is different. So to keep our denominator same, we will multiply here by 4, and for 5 by 4 we will multiply both sides by 3. So 10 multiplied by 4 upon 3 multiplied by 4 minus 5 multiplied by 3 upon 4 multiplied by 3. So here you will get 10 multiplied by 4, that is 40 upon 3 4s are 12 minus 5 3s are 15 upon 4 3s are 12. So here you can see the denominator is same. Now we can simply subtract numerator over a common denominator. So 40 minus 15 upon 12, you will get 25 by 12. So in mixed fraction we will write like this, 2 and 1 by 12. So 3 and 1 by 3 minus 1 and 1 by 4 is equal to 2 and 1 by 12. Second question, 5 and 1 by 2 minus 3 and 1 by 3. So 5 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1 upon 3. So 5 2s are 10 plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 3s are 9 plus 1 upon 3. So you will get 10 plus 1, that is 11 by 2, minus 9 plus 1, that is 10 upon 3. So here you can see the denominator is different. Now we have to keep our denominator same, so we will multiply here by 3, and for 10 by 3 we will multiply by both sides by 2. So 11 multiplied by 3 upon 2 multiplied by 3 minus 10 multiplied by 2 upon 3 multiplied by 2. So 11 multiplied by 3, that is 33 by 6 minus 20 upon 6. So now the denominator is same. We can simply subtract numerator over a common denominator. So 33 minus 20 upon 6, you will get 13 by 6. So in mixed number we can write like this, 2 1 by 6. So 5 and 1 by 2 minus 3 and 1 by 3 is equal to 2 and 1 by 6. Question number 3, 7 and 1 by 8 minus 6 and 1 by 10 is equal to 7 multiplied by 8 plus 1 upon 8 minus 6 multiplied by 10 plus 1 upon 10. So 7 8s are 56 plus 1 upon 8 minus 6 10s are 60 plus 1 upon 10. So here you will get 57 by 8 minus 61 by 10. So we have to keep our denominator same, that's why here we will multiply by 5. So 57 multiplied by 5 upon 8 multiplied by 5 minus, here we will multiply by 4. So 61 multiplied by 4 upon 10 multiplied by 4. When we multiply, we will get 285 by 40 minus 244 by 40. So here you can see denominator is same. Now we can simply subtract the numerator over a common denominator. So 285 minus 244 upon 40. So you will get 41 by 40. So in mixed number you can write like this, 1 and 1 by 40. Therefore 7 and 1 by 8 minus 6 and 1 by 10 is equal to 1 and 1 by 40. Question number 4, 7 and 1 by 2 minus 3 and 1 by 5. So 7 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 multiplied by 5 plus 1 upon 5. So here you will get 14 plus 1 upon 2 minus 15 plus 1 upon 5. So 14 plus 1, that is 15 by 2 minus 16 by 5. So we have to keep our denominator same. So here we will multiply. So 15 multiplied by 5 upon 2 multiplied by 5 minus 16 multiplied by 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2. So here you will get 75 by 10 minus 32 by 10. Now the denominator is same. We can simply subtract the numerator over a common denominator. So 75 minus 32 by 10. Here you will get 43 by 10. So in mixed number you can write like this, 4 3 by 10. So 7 and 1 by 2 minus 3 and 1 by 5 is equal to 4 and 3 by 10. Question number 3, solve. First one is, Suyash bought 2 and 1 by 2 means 2.5 kg of sugar, and Ashish bought 3 and 1 by 2 means 3.5 kg of sugar. How much sugar did they buy altogether? If sugar cost rupees 32 per kg, how much did they spend on the sugar they bought? So let's see solution. Sugar bought by Suyash is equal to 2 and 1 by 2 kg means 2.5 kilogram, and sugar bought by Ashish is equal to 3 and 1 by 2 kilogram means 3.5 kilogram. So total sugar bought by both, that is 2 and 1 by 2 plus 3 and 1 by 2. So here 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2. So here you will get 4 plus 1 upon 2 plus 6 plus 1 upon 2. So 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 2, plus 6 plus 1, that is 7 by 2. So here you can see the denominator is same. We can simply add numerator over a common denominator. So 5 plus 7 upon 2, you will get 12 by 2. When we divide, we will get 2 ones are 2, 2 six are 12. So 6 kilogram we will get. Total sugar bought by both, that is 6 kilogram. So cost of 1 kilogram of sugar rupees 32. So cost of 6 kilogram of sugar is equal to 32 multiplied by 6 will get 192. So they bought 6 kilogram sugar altogether, and the total money spent on sugar is rupees 192. Question number 2. Aradhana grows potatoes in 2 by 5 parts of her garden, greens in 1 by 3 parts, and brinjals in the remaining parts. On how much part of her plot did she plant brinjals? So let's see solution. Part of a garden occupied by potatoes is equal to 2 by 5, and part of garden occupied by greens is equal to 1 by 3. Since brinjals are planted in the remaining part, therefore part occupied by potatoes plus part occupied by greens plus part occupied by brinjals is equal to one entire garden. So part of garden occupied by brinjal is equal to 1 minus part occupied by potatoes plus part of garden occupied by greens. So here you will get 1 minus in bracket 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. So here you can see the denominator is different. To keep the common denominator, for 2 by 5 we will multiply by 3, and for 1 by 3 we will multiply both sides by 5. So 2 multiplied by 3 upon 5 multiplied by 3 plus 1 multiplied by 5 upon 3 multiplied by 5. So when you multiply, you will get 6 by 15 plus 5 by 15. So 1 minus 6 by 15 plus 5 by 15. Here you can see the denominator is same. So we can simply add numerator over a common denominator. So 1 minus 6 plus 5 upon 15. So 6 plus 5, that is 11. So 1 minus 11 by 15. So here only numerator is given. So when a number don't have any denominator, that means the denominator is 1. So 1 by 1, here we have to keep our denominator same. So for 1 by 1, we will multiply both sides by 15. So 1 multiplied by 15 upon 1 multiplied by 15 minus 11 by 15. So now the denominator is same. So we can simply subtract numerator over a common denominator. So 15 minus 11 by 15 is equal to 4 by 15. So Aradhana planted brinjals on 4 by 15 part of her plot. Question number 3. Sandeep filled water in 4 by 7 of an empty tank. After that, Ramakant filled 1 by 4 part more of the same tank. Then Umesh used 3 by 14 part of the tank to water the garden. If the tank has maximum capacity of 560 liters, how many liters of water will be left in the tank? Let's see solution. Part of a tank filled by Sandeep, that is 4 by 7, and part of tank filled by Ramakant, that is 1 by 4. Therefore, part of a tank filled by both of them together is equal to 4 by 7 plus 1 by 4. So here we have to add this. So here you can see the denominator is different. So we have to keep our denominator same. So for 4 by 7 we will multiply both sides by 4, and for 1 by 4 we will multiply both sides by 7. So 4 multiplied by 4 upon 7 multiplied by 4 plus 1 multiplied by 7 upon 4 multiplied by 7. When we do this calculation, we will get 16 by 28 plus 7 by 28. So here you can see the denominator is same. So we can simply add numerator over a common denominator. So 16 plus 7 upon 28, you will get 23 by 28. Now, part of a tank used by Umesh is equal to 3 by 14. So, part of a tank filled with water is equal to 23 by 28 minus 3 by 14. So, 23 by 28 minus 3 multiplied by 2 upon 14 multiplied by 2. So here you will get 23 by 28 minus 6 by 28. So here you can see the denominator is same. Now we can simply subtract numerator over a common denominator. So 23 minus 6 upon 28, that is equal to 17 upon 28. Since the maximum capacity of tank is 560 liters, so quantity of water left in tank is equal to 17 by 28 multiplied by 560, that is 340 liters. So the quantity of water left in the tank is 340 liters. Students, here we completed with practice set 10. Thank you dear students.